Can I ping?
Yeah, you can ping. You can do the bling blong bling bling bling. Try to do a S in the chat. Should receive. Yep, good. And I think we got everything. We'll also put the music. Let's see. I'm thinking there was one thing I wanted still to do also, but I forgot what it was. Right. We can probably put this there. Welcome everybody. Dismiss. So I think we have to add model matrix, solid color, and hello penguin operator. Let's see, was it something else for the mesh? That's pretty much good. I think that's what we'll do, and then we'll make the movement work, but get that to work, so I think that's pretty fire. Yeah. Cannot type. And this will go client. Also, Harold, I think I fixed the LSB, or I didn't do it. I kind of used AI to fix
You
it.
accidentally fixed it.
Like, apparently there's this thing. I didn't know about it. ZLS.json, which you can use to help the LSP figure out, like, if it doesn't find things, you can use this. And it can, I don't know how it works. I just got scared that my LSP is fucked, and it was like, obviously it's fucked because you need this. I was like, what? That didn't work. I was like, great. But
That's great.
there is like if you just go ZLS JSON, there's like an actual like whole explanation about this thing.
I never knew because my VS Code just works.
Well, the thing is, I have seen your not work as well, so.
Well, that's in extremely specific circumstances.
Yes.
Which is to do with compile time.
They have Helix, but they don't have NeoVim. That's crazy.
No one likes NeoVim.
What the fuck? NeoVim is the best. It's the GOAT.
Really?
Hello, Tosa. How are you, Tosa?
I think the best is like IntelliSig.
IntelliSig.
Mm-hmm.
That's some crazy shit right there.
Or Sig Lizard.
Sig Lizard? Damn. Okay, but what I wanted to do was to... We're gonna change the shaders. Sadly, T-Chef's shaders will have to take a beating.
The part, you mean?
Yeah. Or actually what we can do is in here when we got the shaders. Because I just want the... I should probably get rid of a lot of these shaders because they're so bad. They're not even used or necessary. Like I have this, which yeah, I don't even know, man. Yay! Then we have the, let me see and think real quick, because this is the fragment one that I'm interested in right now. I think I would still like to keep it though. Can I copy? Copy to... Can I just... Is there an easy way to duplicate? D would delete, but I guess I could... okay, I think it's easier if I probably do this. And then in here we do a copy fragment frag to fragment the frag. We're gonna call it fragment TT chef frag. Yes, that's what we'll do. And then what we'll do here is we'll go into the fragment at frag there, and what we'll do here is that we will don't do that, and then in here we're gonna change this to just be as simple as this, and frag out. We don't really care about the UVs anymore. No, I don't care about the UV in. We're just gonna take in color and out color, and that will be in color, like so. Then we can go to vertex, and I know I say out, but now we don't care about out. And frag color. This we will care about, because here we can actually now we can change this to be, well, apparently I have done the color to be a, okay, and then we'll change it to just be, because we got the vertex, I can go v dot color like so, and then in the fragment we'll change it to be like 4. Then we can do this. Nobody says, oh, welcome. CD server. And actually, no, that's fine. We can do this. Not that. Yes. Zig, CD server. Zig will run. And then here, Zig will run. Let's see. It should make a solid color now of the planet. Oops. If not, let's see, why did it not draw index? Well, that should definitely work. 9441. I haven't done any changes since yesterday, so yeah, that's a bit of a funny if it doesn't work. That's if the shaders failed to load. Ah. Message. Okay, then we would like to fix that. It's in the vertex. Line 40. Here doesn't like that. Okay, yeah, I probably have told it yet. Oops. Let's put it 4 and let's try again. There. There we got the cube, and the planet is completely black, which is okay. The server died. Why did it die? Viewpointer then. Penned. Crashed on that penned. We should probably fix that. It's okay. I need to figure that out. Can still be cognitivity or what is continuity? What is it called when you use some too fast commands? I haven't checked that yet, but we'll figure that out in a bit. I don't like that it's, yeah. Let's see. What I want to do now is that, because we do have the planet, and here we go through and we create all of these vertices. Gen vertices. Merge the cube. Get in the gen vertices, append, and then here, just give it some colors. Do that. go. And it's pretty bright. But yeah, there's a few things I would like to fix. If I now were to say build another client, boom, there is the box. But if I go to the Vulkan here and we now go and put it, let's see, I want to change this thing over here. To here, cool mode, back 8. The cube will be gone now. Should be gone when I do a hot reload, which should trigger. Yes. Oh, wait, it's not. It's actually there. Wait, do I have them? Wait, backbit should. Am I doing this actually? Is it for the front bit? It should be. Ain't no way. Whoa. No, it cannot be. It would be weird if it was front bit. Yeah, that's more accurate, but it's weird that it is actually. Yeah. And then we'll go and change the planet to, I think I will just make the planet 0, 0. Hello Kayal, how are you, my dear friend? It's going alright. So there's the planet, then we got the cube, which is the player. Oh, look at that. There the server went again. I wonder, I think it is because it's using the heat that it crashes. Let's go to server system. Let's try and figure that out. So, because in the update here, if I will do only on the mutex, otherwise this will not be good. So we can do a std debug, no, std log debug. And actually we already completed this one thing over here, solid colors. That's just a simple thing I want to do. I need to do that now. But we're gonna first figure this out. I'm gonna say, let's see, I don't want to say client address anymore. I don't really care about that. And then we're gonna do here, what we're gonna do is gonna say, what are we gonna say? We're gonna say the command size. That went off wrong, but it's okay. And I cannot get, oh my god, Jesus Christ. Where's the which one is it? It's that one. Client command queued commands items len. Let's see. Oopsie daisy. Wait, that shouldn't be a crash. Wait. Result cast start function. That should be fine. It shouldn't. Why is it having problems right now? It's not even running anything. Ah, but the clients, you're right. That's interesting. Okay. That is really weird. So when a client is still trying to send messages to it, I don't know why that is. Yes, okay, let's see. The size is only 1. There was some different size. Both of them saying 1, which is interesting. It actually says that. I thought it would be... Okay. Okay, so I need to figure out why it actually crashes. But what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna add model view. And how we're going to do that is gonna be super funny. No, not really, but I will try to make it funny. Not really. I would say in a push constant, because this is per instance relevant, per mesh that we draw. So I would say there it makes sense to put a matrix 4 x4, and I would say that we would like to have it model matrix, like so. And this will, because it's an external struct, we will just say array of 16 F32s. That is it. And this, no, well, whatever. It's fine. Now we're actually pushing this information. It's just garbage, though. It should be actually kind of weird that it actually works. Because no, that should actually reload the thing. It's okay. Push constant here. I wonder, how did we do it before, though? Let's see. I want to check out some mesh verdicts here. Push constant. No, it was called render matrix. Which is fine, I guess, but it's let's go and check it out. Projects, legacy. Let's go in here. Assets, shaders, and we can take all kind of whatever, but I think this one is the most fun. And we can also open up the running called here. And then search for push, points, push. Okay, I did it. It wasn't world matrix. Where would I call it? World matrix. References. But LSB doesn't find any references. That's great. Wait, this is... wait, because that's...
World matrix. Why would I do that? Like, in a push constant? I'm so confused. No, this has to be the... just a funny name for it. But yeah, transform to matrix. As usual, we'll like to do here as well. So now that, again, the server died. Which I find so strange that it actually does it.
Because it's in system net 49, it tries to append, but then just fails to do so. Well, actually, I'll let Bart on this one in the meantime. I still want to figure out the other stuff, but this can pick up on this. Maybe we'll find something. I would. Oops. Okay. That's too fast. Okay, and while that one is still doing that, we will actually focus on getting it in here. So, we get the address, the buffer address of all the vertices, and we'll also get here a mat4 of the model matrix. what I'm thinking. Save that. And then we can, in here, no need to do this in right order, which I never remember how you actually do. I always do it in the wrong order. But it's just scene, let's see. Push constant, render matrix. So we take the scene view, and then this, and then position, so it's in the middle. Okay, good. Which, my dumbass, I just realized I was supposed to add it in here, and I added it in here. Ain't I a genius? Fucking hell. Yeah, and also in the push constants, not the other way around. And then in here we get the scene, and then here we have the actual... Why am I doing it like this when I can literally just take the position? Well, the position is a vec3 in this case, but I should still be able to just provide... Okay, it was because I was doing some funny testing that you see. Yay, love shaders, yay! Shaders are pretty cool. I don't understand much about them, to be honest.
Bro,
there's-
they're pretty easy. Like, if you just watch like a tutorial that's like 5 minutes long, then you kind of get it. It's just hard to write anything good in it.
And that makes sense. Alright, so now this would be complete garbage. You're using... No, I'm using Vulkan. I have one touch, not even real OpenGL. I have used Harold's binding once, that was it.
Yeah, it wasn't even a binding, it was just like a little abstraction I made because OpenGL is so shit. Ah, bro, that's like a half a year ago.
Damn, that's
We had
crazy.
like working multiplayer and OpenGL and 2Cubes, you know. Ah,
Yeah,
damn.
but it
And
was...
we're almost here again.
Yeah, but it was using space-time. Mm.
That's true. That's
And
true.
it didn't even have hot reloading. Think about that for a moment. And it didn't have planets. Think for another moment about that.
Let that sink in.
But that's again. Oh, but yeah. Let's see. What we would like to do now is that in the push constant, we would like to provide. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. I think. Okay, so in here, yes, model matrix. I actually would like it that produce a identity here. I will just do that temporarily. Const identity matrix, and it will be a numc dot. Do we have numc in here? We should have, but it's somehow messed up.
Shared numc?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're doing nset there, it should be numc. Shared numc.
No. It is and set because that's how it's named.
Oh.
Shared.
Well, then it is cooked.
Yeah, it is cooked. It's okay, I know this. Transform F32, and that will just be dot identity. Like so. And then we can provide that one into the identity here, so at least we'll get the planet. Oh yeah, we have to do that later. Root has no member transform 3D brother. I'm so dumb. I said I knew it, but didn't. Has no member name identity. It should have. Isn't it? It does have that identity. I swear to God. No, wait. Transform. It's the matrix, not the transform. I'm so dumb. What was it called? Mat 4x4. Yeah, F32. Identity. Yes, nailed it, first try. And then in here, because we'll go through each and every one of these, right, the push constant, missing structure field identity. It's a var, so whoa. we are. What the hell is going on? What? What the fuck happened? What happened? I'm so confused now. What? Why did? Okay, whatever. Identity. Right again. And what the fuck? Okay. Mat 4x4. F32 I said. Okay, then in here, because of this, we also have to provide dot model matrix. I will provide identity, just to have that set up properly. Dot data. But here is where things will get data, because now we got the transform here, and we would like to pick, but we have already bind. Okay, fuck me, I'm so dumb. It's okay, we can.
Fuck you? Okay, bro. Okay. I see.
We can take this in here on every loop iteration. It's fine. And it will be the same thing, just slightly different. But in here, now we would like to actually get the matrix. And I don't have the LSP. This sucks so much ass, but it's in just two matrix. Const matrix transform to matrix. Let's see, what do I have here? Build file. Now I really need to know how this thing works so I could add it. Using in-editor configurations and integrated context configuration. You can configure ZLS by creating ZLS JSON configuration file. This config will apply to all editors that use ZLS. Here's enable and save. The file must valid JSON cannot contain commands or trailing commas. Where should the ZLS be created? Running ZLS in will show you where ZLS will look for the. There is such a thing. That's crazy. Let's env. None of the places which are relevant here. That's crazy. Look for local config direct reader and fallback global. I guess I will just have to redo it somewhere over here as well anyways, so I can probably wait here, transform to mat 4x4d. Yes, that's what I'll do. Mat 4x4d, and then here we'll just provide matrix. We don't do that. Did you learn Zig very well first? No.
Doesn't know Zig.
I don't even know Zig. What is Zig? Oh, but that was a C.
Yeah.
I have been using C for a while.
Bro, you're.
No,
I think you're better at Zig than C.
I don't know if I'm better. Maybe I am. Maybe.
I think you are better at Zig than C because I've seen your C code and it is not good.
How dare you? Anyways,
it's
before
really
starting
not
Vulkan,
good.
Yeah, I started Vulkan before Zig. I learned Zig after I had been fiddling around with Vulkan. Is that even a word, fiddling around? Nah.
Yeah, you can say that.
I hate the camera, it's always wrong for me. It's like a Alright, I don't know if I even did make it any better. I have such a headache today, like it was crazy. I went to the gym and had chest day, and then on my way home, I just started to see blur. Everything became blurry as hell. I couldn't see anything, and I was supposed to send a message to my mom, and I was like,
it's
what
the drugs.
Yeah, and I was like, I can't even read what I have written here. I was like, it was at a specific angle where I actually had vision. I was like, what the fuck is happening? Yeah, and now I just have a headache.
Hmm.
It was crazy. Okay. Where were we? We were here. So now, in theory, I think the cubes will move. Let's see what they do in practice, though. Well, something is definitely there, moving kind of. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Let's start another client. Well, I don't think that is. Whoa. Whoa. Something is wrong. Yeah, I don't really know. I'm a bit of a confusion right now. I think I need to run this in RenderDoc to actually understand what the fuck is happening right now. No need message, send your words. Better, efficient, and faster. I don't know. It's if I edit voice, then it works better. But if I don't, then it's kind of like it's kind of weird because you're sending basically just a lot of because and I feel like it's just shorter to write the message. It's easier for the person receiving the message. It's also clear. It's like you don't have to go in a loop trying to explain what you want to get explained.
What are we talking about?
Sending messages to your mom.
Ah. Right, I usually interact with a thumbs up. That's way faster.
That's pretty fancy.
Yeah, and very fast.
All right. You added the thing so I can get the new version of not yes.
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 Okay, wait. This one has that cooked. We will look into this in a bit because it's not the thing that is important right now. So if I do what do I want to do? I want to go into here, and I want to open up. Where do I want to? I want to be inside of its client that has it actually. So yeah, okay. Then I think it's more. It doesn't really matter. Builds on, and then we're gonna take this one. We want this part. Yeah, go here, client. That's not how you spell client. And then we'll go Zig fetch, and we'll fetch that. Save. Unrecognized did I type? Isn't it dash dash save? Zig fetch the thing dash dash save, or is it git plus?
Git
Yeah,
plus and the.
Yeah, I forgot the git plus. So now I should be able to get somehow which one it is.
Yeah.
How do I do that?
You have to get the window which you have. Then you do window.native.
Damn it! I have to build
Your
once.
LSP.
Oh no. Ah! Camera is not booling. Oh yeah, because you changed that thing as well. Yeah, right. You have to fix that first.
What thing?
The unfocused thing.
Yeah.
So here.
That was like a long time ago. I didn't.
I haven't been
think
updating in
about
a
it.
while. Ooh. Wait, how does it's just an enum literal? Wait, what was this thing supposed to do again? Focus is equal to self-input map.
Yeah, focus is a boolean now.
So just
Like, I would call the capture like focused, and I think the event is called focus. Yeah, but I would rename the focus there to be called focused, so that it's like if focused, you know.
all right. Pretty fire. That's okay behavior. Render, and then now let's try again. window dot native. No, fucking hell, no native. Where's my native at? Maybe I need to.
Should be there.
I'm getting my natives. I want my natives. Me. Window native. Ah, no, there's native. And then you provide the platform. And activity. Is it, how do I get? What do I do?
What do you mean activity?
Oh,
Okay.
no.
No, sorry. Well, you can use this, but I would actually recommend you that you just use the Vulkan get extensions, like the yes Vulkan. Yeah, get instance extensions, and you can go in there and you can look how it does it.
Okie dokie. Oh wait, wasn't this basically we have tried to do, but there was something that just broke with it? I don't remember what it was.
I don't know. But yeah, if
Okay.
you go in here, you see like Windows, Mac, iOS, and then here with Linux, it's also like Android API, whatever.
Yeah.
But then here, it's actually like Linux, so it's like the native thing when it's on Linux, it returns a tagged union, which is either Wayland or X11. Yeah.
Okay. Platform and window. Wait, but it also wants a type. T is the string type. Okay, example.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, did I even have docs there? Damn.
Yeah.
I'm so good. Yeah, but you just wanted to be that string there. Yep.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that should be.
Right. But how does it work if it returns a tag union?
No, the native does that.
Oh, okay, and then used. Okay. So now we got the extension in here. Now I just need to figure out a way to just provide it to this thing. Well, I guess we have two of them now. I do have the allocator, so in theory I could just provide it and then defer it after I'm done with the whole thing. So I could allocate.
What do you want to do?
Because I now need to know based on this, because I will get some extensions from here, right? And then I got these ones. And I don't know what the size will be of these. I was thinking of doing, after I get both of these, I would do an allocate.
Yeah, okay, but just steal what is inside of the get required instance extensions. Just steal that shit.
Steal
At least for the Windows and Linux. Yeah, just copy this shit and you can just add your own strings, you know? Yeah.
Ah, so then I could do in the switch, I would
Yeah.
have. No, wait, because. Ah, yes, I would do separately here for.
But also it's comp time known, so you should also just be able to do like plus plus. Yeah, but bro, if you go to the right here, or
right.
actually, will it? I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, like you can concatenate strings. You know, like in C++ when you can do the left and it merges like strings into one string. You can kind of do that in Zig with the but only at compile time, right? You could maybe use that.
Wait, so I could if I make it this one to a
It's after the get instance extension shit. After the function.
You mean here? Do plus.
Yeah, and then you just do plus, and then you do reference dot curly brace.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's a dot also, as
Okay.
usual. And then you might be able to do it, but I think not. Most likely not, actually.
Why could I not just do it to the No, I cannot. I would have to do it
You can
differently.
just do something at compile time, or no, you can just do like allocator, or just copy like how you get the information of which platform it is, and then you put your custom ones instead, right?
Yeah.
Do you get what I mean?
I do get what you mean.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, if you want to have touch events, they're now supported. Yeah.
Touch, yeah.
Added them today.
That's crazy. Guess I could just do this, take it raw from here and then just do this. If anything else runs, it won't run. Damn. Let's see. And then that will be just extension. Right, it's not a return I'm trying to do here. It's still this thing, basically. Like so. Let's see if it still runs. Not fetching it, damn it. Okay, let's start a client. It runs, good, good, good. And then if I start I can go here to render doc. Let's see if it starts a render doc. Launch, load. Damn it. Ah. No. Connection refused. Did I just load that complete prompting? I feel like I
But
need
before you do like anything with RenderDoc, try running the app with the like dash dash xdg equals x11 and Wayland, you know, so you can just check if it like even works.
Yeah, okay. Wait, running the with Zig, wait, just executing the executable.
Yeah. Well, like to sig. No, well, I guess, but you can also use to sig build run,
I'm providing.
and then you do dash dash, and then space, and then dash dash again, because you have to do dash dash to specify the arguments that you pass to the app, right? And then xdg equals x11.
Huh. It runs.
Okay.
It is
Yeah,
fucked,
and
but it's
now
fucked in the right way.
yeah, and now you try running it with Wayland instead. Well, it probably worked before. I don't know.
It just ran with Wayland. Now I need to figure out why this thing. Wait, can't locate path or match executable path. Okay, well let's see. Executable. Okay, I think it's pro just using. We want to run the client, and working directory is that. Okay, let's see. It's not comparable. Vulkan implementation testing use. Connection refused. Threaded IO. Plan to receive my client main Zig. Line 15. Net IP. It should be able to connect. Line 15. So it fails here and tries to connect inside through render docs. That's interesting because that should not fail. What the fuck? would that fail? I don't know, is RenderDoc having something towards networking? I don't think it should. I should still be able to run networking, I feel. Ah. What the fuck? Okay, that's not funny. Connection refused. It doesn't like that. POSIX connect, yeah. Let's see, maybe we can combine it. We're already working on something with networking over here. See what it got to. You have raised condition, but that shouldn't be possible because I have the mutex. With the uninitialized union field that contains a dangling slice pointer. Looking at line 23 net, try shared command parse reader and in shared root ptr child slice reader. The problem is that opt allocator is null passed on line 97, so when parsing the context command with a name field, it returns a slice pointing into the stack buffer undefined. This slice becomes invalid immediately after a while loop iteration ends. Yeah, but we shouldn't have anything.
True. Yeah, I would recommend either like you have the buffer to always be there and not be like initialized every update, or you can allocate on the with just passing in the allocator.
But I don't want this memory to be persistent. I kind of want it gone immediately once I'm done with it, because.
Well, then use phrase when you're done.
Yeah, but what's the point then of having it in stack or in heap then if I just free it anyways?
Well, it depends on how long you want it to be there, but like, I don't know, man. Yeah, like you figure out the memory management here.
The stack buffer is reused on the next iteration. The slice is stored in command union. Release when the union is later accessed copied, it tries to read the now invalid slice. Also, you have a mutex in command that is never being used. But it is being used. Multiple threads could be appending to it is being used. I don't know what's talking about. Pass allocator when parsing, so the string data is properly copied. Use the mutex to protect the concurrent access to the command. Let's see, what is it yapping about? It's running right now. Here, there, it's being used right there. I don't know what it's on about. And then this thing over here, once I'm done reading here, I don't need it anymore. So it is all of what it said should be invalid.
No, what it said is exactly right.
But how is that right? Because if I read into the buffer here, I process it, and then I send it, then I don't need it anymore.
You never ever need it again?
Yeah, no, it's done after that. Then I don't care about
Well,
it.
then it should be fine.
Yeah, it should be fine.
I don't know why I think you should care about some of it, but okay. What's even like wrong here?
No, that's the thing is it crashes. The server is right now running completely fine, but randomly it just crashes because of this, where it is somehow. This could make sense if it was a hot reload, because I haven't fixed the hot reloading yet for the server, but I didn't trigger it.
Most likely that.
But I didn't trigger a hot reload for the server, so it shouldn't be the problem.
But hot reloading is so bad, it probably broke it anyways.
And then and then the funny part is that the suggestion it gave here is completely irrelevant from what it's actually telling us to do. Okay, it's telling us to probably use an allocator here, but we are never passing in an allocator to this thing, so it's just hilarious.
Great.
That's fantastic. I don't even know if I want to start arguing with it that it's wrong that I'm actually using a lock here, because that's just gonna be a complete waste of time. Oh my days. These AIs, I cannot. I'm losing my brain cells trying to figure out what they're trying to tell me. But I do need
Don't
some...
you say I?
Yeah, but the problem is that I have no idea how to solve this problem, so... Let's see. I'm gonna give it the Zig docs again, and then... Why does my render doc crash, but not when I run normally through Wayland or X11? Because it works with X11, it works with Wayland, but when I try to run render docs, it doesn't like the connection request to the server anymore, which is funny. And I kind of need this to figure out. I guess I could run it without the server and then just refuse the connection. This is a different issue. Your client is trying to connect to a server, but the server isn't running. Well, it is running. What the fuck? Even if it wasn't running, it should still be able to run. It just wouldn't start the window. Let's try to restart the server and just see if I do this. And now try to launch. Yeah, no. To connect to the server on startup line, and when running on the render, there is no server running, so it crashes with connection before Vulkan context is even created. Waits normally but crashes with normal run. You likely start the server first, then client connects. You're probably running the client through RenderDoc without the server, but I run the server separately. Start the server, dumbass. I'm already running it. Run client through RenderDoc. Make the client work offline better for debugging graphics. The client should gracefully handle when the... Would you like me to modify the... No.
You could make so that, like... Well, I guess you're never really going to play it single player, are you?
No, it's not. It should always run through a server. Like, you can still host... If you want to play single player, it would be still hosting, like run a server executable,
Yeah,
like Minecraft does it.
It's like Minecraft, you know?
I just think it's a superior way of doing it, so why not just do it? Because otherwise you would have to otherwise you would have to do double implementation in the client, and that's just... I feel like that's just more of a headache.
Yeah.
Client
An advantage with this also is like if the client like crashes, right, then the server still has the stuff running, and then you can easily save it, and you don't have to worry about shit getting lost.
And when the server is the authority vault, you can always just... The only safety measurements is done on the server. Then the client can go a little bit more wild, but it will never have the authoritative state.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see, now I see a full picture. Wow, it sees the full picture. I don't believe it though. It injects itself into the Vulkan layer.
It's just a great full picture.
Interfere with how your application handles asynchronous I/O and threading. Looking at your stack trace, the crash happens in threaded. Injection can cause issues with async. RenderDoc may block or delay operations. Threaded synchronization of code uses I/O concurrent for async operation. Vulkan conflicts. RenderDoc adds its own validation layer. Potentially disable RenderDoc Vulkan layer injection and use the in API. Instead of launching through render command, use RenderDoc API injection. Just run the client normally. Try layer capture Zig. Timing issue. Add connection retry. That could be quite interesting to try out, but I don't think it will work because this is not the issue. I'm 100% sure about that. For a specific Vulkan instance extension, can you show me your Vulkan instance creation code? Like, the code looks correct. It says accepts. Can you show me? It's just read it. It accepts layers extension properly, but I noticed something. Your client connects to the server before creating Vulkan instance. Yes, that's kind of what I want. Connection happens. Initial packet sent. Instance creation. The crash is happening because RenderDoc can't capture anything until Vulkan is initialized, but UDP connection attempts failed before point. When you run through RenderDoc, the network connection itself is what is failing, not Vulkan asynchronous is failing its connect. Can you try running your client with strays to see what's happening in the socket? Wait, you can do something like this? Most likely the solution, run the server after launching render doc. But then I want, sometimes the order matters render doc injection, but I cannot do it like that. Use instead of render doc might be doing something with network namespace, const address, try. At explicit error handling connection, don't crash, just warn, continue and offline mode. Check if renderdoc is using different network namespace. Check if renderdoc creates. Renderdoc multiplayer. Let's see if we can find something on that. Renderdoc in for debugging your own program only and official. Let's see. Felix states that the capturing commercial games for programs you did not create, including multiplayer games, is not supported official public. So is it just that it doesn't like it when I try to run renderdoc through a... Wait, what was that? MetaQuest device renderdoc metafork is available including multiplayer testing automation features, but it is specific for development on meta hardware and does not extend support. Ah, that's pretty bad. So is it just that it disables debugging on multiplayer applications? So when it's threaded, oh no. That's bad because I cannot.
Does renderdoc disable multiplayer?
Seems, or well, like I don't know how we would be able to do it, but it seems that it's not just supported.
What, bro? That's dumb.
On online games, online, yes. See, using render with Unreal Engine, render runs on online or remote system, but using network capture and replay features, which allows you to capture graphics frames on target machines for blah 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 blah. There's nothing about it. ChatGPT, help me out now. Maybe I don't know how to search this properly. Do you know about using... Okay, wait, no. I wanna use renderdoc for my app. It has worked for offline single player games, but now I multiplayer it crashes on connection. It's a classic trap. Renderdoc networking doesn't fail randomly. There's usually a very specific. Here's the blunt. Renderdoc is not designed to handle complex multi-pros networking. Timing well, especially if your app is doing anything async, multi-threaded, or GPU calls during connection setup. But I should still be able. That shouldn't be a problem. It should just be capturing the Vulkan commands. Most common reasons this crashes: you're capturing too early during connection handshake. When your client connects, thread spins up, socket initialize, maybe encrypting serials kicks in, GPU might already be in use. Renderdoc injects itself into the graphics API, and if happens during unstable init, boom. Fixed, launched without the capture. Connect to server, then trigger capture manual hotkey or API. Multi-threaded rendering race condition. Multiplayer code often introduces new threads, timing, blah blah blah. Run without renderdoc. Artificial delay sleep around connection. If it crashes, your threading is unstable. Network code interface injection hooks. Use low-level networking, UDP, quick, custom, or do weird memory management. I think this one is hallucinating so much more than... I'm just gonna provide it with... Maybe we should go through Claude. as well. Even though that's just the Claude interface, it's not the Claude AI. And let's do this, divide it over here. Let's see what did good. The render connection refused. This means client tried to connect, nothing was lit. Well, that I understand, but it's weird because the client is server is running, server is not running. It is running. Wrong port. It's not because I already had it used. Server crashed immediately. No, it's still running. Render doc delayed things, but that shouldn't matter. Fix the proper. Don't hack around. At trial logic, you need this anyway. Okay, I think at this point, I guess we'll just try that. It seems to be convinced that that is the problem, but I highly doubt it. This is the client, right? I may quit AI. That's pretty good, I guess. Let's see, address. I would say still AI is pretty good if you want to actually might take this implementation stuff. See, what is it? It is trying to tell me. Now they go here. It tries to connect, you get the stream, and then there's no block, it just captures it and doesn't do anything on it. That's crazy. I use capture, and then here retries. It doesn't do anything with this one either. That's fucking hilarious. Let's see, stream. If capture stream. What we can do is we can take this to here and we can protocol UDP. Yeah. And we could probably do a block, but then I'm gonna do this undefined. And then we can just say stream. Edit. How do we know which stream? I hate this kind of stuff. Okay. We can say or stream is equal to this while loop. So that, and let's see if I remember how to do this. We will capture this, and then let's see, it was like that, and then PLK stream. Damn it. Also more usage, more water usage, more AI usage. Now I need to drink water, thanks for the reminder. I need to use a block. Forgot how to use a block already. Where do we do it? We do it somewhere. I need to see where do we use a block. Where do we use a block? Block. Vulkan. Where do we use a block? I have memory of using a block, but I don't know where we use a block. Or well, it's actually a jump to kind of same thing but different. Simple while for inline expected for Is it break? Block. How the fuck does this work?
What are you trying to do?
How do I get assigned a stream if it works from the wireless?
You don't need to use a block here.
I don't. Okay.
No. You can use to break stream. Yeah. What is it saying here? Error. Yeah, you got to do error on the address connect. So try.
Actually, I've got confused. What do you mean an error? Okay, what is
Yeah.
not? Found IO net stream optional type.
The connect doesn't return an optional. Like, what are you trying to do here?
I'm just trying to assign stream this thing.
Do you want to, like, so if it fails, you continue, or what?
Oh wait.
Yeah, retry count. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Just do a new thing before here. Just do const. Actually, no, we don't need const. We can actually use the break. Yeah, break.
What? Break in the beginning of the while loop?
Yeah.
What? Okay.
Yes. Okay, great. And then now we use to address connect, no try. Yeah, and then you pass in the shit. And then you do catch. And then in here you do connect. No, it's not connect. Continue. And also we up the retry count and sleep and yeah.
But I don't guess I don't have to do continue because it shouldn't by default just continue.
Yeah, well, SD time sleep doesn't exist, it's IO sleep, so yeah.
Yes, I knew that. Three arguments. What's an IO duration clock? Real. We are doing real clocks, not fake clocks. Duration is an actual like structure kind of thing. Okay. Ah, you provide like nanoseconds. Wait, what the fuck did I do? What happened? So it's the IO, and then try, and copy on night. Let's stream void. Well, yeah, this one doesn't. It doesn't return. Wait, it does return an error. Hey, hold on. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Do I need to capture? Wait, what does it? Why does it say that it's a void? Why would it say? Tell me it's a void. It either returns the stream or it should return an error, right?
Well, actually, it's the other stream, but like on this while loop, we have to put an else after it also, in case it never finds anything. The while loop. One down. Here, do else, and then here you can use to return error or panic or some shit. Yeah, okay. But if you're gonna return an error, I would just do it on the same statement and not have block, but yeah.
But why do we still have the void here? I'm still confused about it.
It's because you're not doing continue.
I actually do need a continue.
Yes, you have to.
It doesn't understand by default that there's a.
That's not no, it's not JavaScript. Like the thing with catch is that like it's meant so you can like put in replacement values or like do something else, right? And like if you don't like do anything like control flow wise, like return or break or anything, it just doesn't. You can't. Also, hello, Gilded.
It's Gilded here.
So
Hello, Gilded.
I'm doing the rotors.
Sure. How is it?
I have made the ability to make them, rotate them, and reverse them. Now I'm adding conversions from vectors and from quaternions and matrices, and then it's basically fully functioning.
Holy shit. Yeah, I'm currently working on to make so that movement would be visible to when you move one client, you would see the other client move. So, but apparently I cannot even get the render docs running. Ah, it is great. Just need one to load that and launch. Let's see. Connection refused. It doesn't even. It just says connection refused. It's crazy. It's crazy. Telling you guys, it's crazy. Okay, but now if I don't open, let's see what it says. The same shit, but different. That's so dumb. It is running from the right executable and everything is fine, but yet it's. Wait. That shouldn't matter. But now it's funny that it doesn't even do the retry. It still just immediately just dies instead of trying to do a retry. Connection refused. It shouldn't it? Because I tried to do the line 15 again. So line 15. Oh, it crashes when I try to parse. What?
Bro, I told you parsing is dumb. Like, why are you doing this? Like, stop it.
What am I supposed to do
Like, you
then?
can literally you can just initialize it like a goddamn person. Like, you don't gotta parse it. Yeah, IP4.
Oh, that's
Hello, Damon.
Welcome!
it's Damon. Hello, Damon.
Yes.
Welcome, welcome.
No, Lubas. Not
Is it-
string.
What is it then? What do I provide here?
You do dot curly brace and it has two fields, but because it's so deeply nested, you won't see them. But it's like something you like give it the bytes, and you give it the port, and the bytes you want to be like, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly bytes. Yeah.
But I could.
But like,
probably
what
do
happened to
this.
the?
127 point. You connecting to yourself?
Yes. Yeah, look, yes, Lubas, that's what you do. But like, why don't you put this in the shared address? Like, we had that before, and it was
No,
working. Yeah.
no, we didn't.
It was your AI slot machine.
No,
breaking it.
I didn't like the apps. It was bad. Okay, it was bad.
Well, see what that ended up with here. Hmm?
It's pretty good what we got. Okay, shut up.
No, also you got to do it in IP4, not IP6 or anything that doesn't exist. Like, this here does not want bytes, and like remove the try, so you get LSP.
I removed the damn IP.
IP address is a union, tagged union. Bless you.
Okay. Thanks. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, launch that. It still breaks. Line 15. But what? How can it break now on line? Did it even get the new version? What? This is bullshit. Is it load? Does it have to cache the wrong thing? Because it's. I'm about to lose my brain cells. Thank you. Wait. More. I'm about, I don't know, man. This is, let's see. We want to go into Zig out, binaries. Where the fuck are the players at? No! What? Other Sigma. Zig out. Oh, wait, it just load settings. Okay, well, then I'm done. It's okay, we don't care about this thing. We're just gonna load previous, check this out. The client is there, launch it, and it still refuses to connect. On line 15. I don't get it. That should not be so damn problematic. Can I see... yeah, 20 there. That sounds like a joke about anti-AI propaganders. Crazy. It doesn't like this IP at all. Let's see, I'm gonna try to do something completely horrendous. And I'm just gonna say const adder is equal to undefined. And this is something really bad. This shouldn't run anything. Oh shit.
Not even the correct type, it's not even gonna compile.
Yeah, fuck actually. Okay. I need to
Specify the type, bro.
yeah, I will do that. What the fuck? Yank that, and then we'll go here. Okay. So this should just crash. And now, what we got from here is that it says... it's a bit different, right? Let's see what RenderDocs does. I feel like it's not even updating what I'm trying to do. It still says that line 15 is the problem. It's... does it have the old executable somehow? Like, how does it... my brain is legit about to commit suicide. This is not good. What?
Hmm.
How does it still... it still gets the
It's
same...
not the address, it's... didn't you say that RenderDocs just kills networking?
No, because that was just what I assumed from the AI response, but then I read a little bit more, then it doesn't seem to be that, but it was something that it might be that the render is not active, and that's why it crashes, but wait, because all the sounds, wait, like, I want to watch everyone that AI is crap, so I do quit AI related job 1, say that AI is ecology, morale, ethics, security, quality, efficiency, whatever, just make everyone think AI is bad just by existence. And I don't... wait, what's happening? What am I doing? What's happening in the chat and what's happening in this actual... like, how can RenderDocs... I'm so confusion. I'm actually somehow loading just some cached... okay, wait. Okay. Let's just do an std debug log debug. Oh my god. Lol. XD is my favorite thing to always say, and we need to provide a little bit more. Can I please get it up? Thank you. Let's see. That should just run a... let's see if it does it. We don't get any lol XD, so I don't think this thing is actually somehow... it's not using the right executable. That should definitely print a lol XD before anything else goes on. Okay, let's do it as the first thing in that. There's our lol XD. Please, RenderDocs, do the same. Render load. Nope. I don't, it doesn't, I don't know if even if RenderDocs is doing that, like, what executable is it loading? It is the right path to load the right executable, but it's, I doubt that it's loading the right executable because I don't even get a debug. So this is fucking crazy. What the fuck? Why? my... How is this possible? How? I don't understand. What? It's not loading the executable. It's loading some other cakes. Like, is there actually a way that it might CD Planetary projects possible that render docs may be loading a cached exe somehow? Let's see. In the main, my program, but it was printed and still tries to run all net. Net rocking. Yes, this is render has a few ways it can cast. Rebuild your executable. Make sure you actually recompiled it. Client direct. Check if render is pointing to the right binary in render. It is. Try clearing render of shader cache. Why would shader cache have anything to do with this? Delete. Config on Linux. The executable itself might be cached if you're using replay feature in the render doc. Replay feature. By the way. Running capture mode not. You need to refresh launch application. Check for stale binaries. Run this to see if you actually. If this string isn't there, it is there. And I. Wait. You'll be back. Alright, see ya, penguin operator. Why? Yeah, that's classic render kit sheets. Yeah, classic render kit. Launch settings, cache. Fix clear settings. Remove. Okay. I could probably restart render then also. File launch application check executable. Application. I swear to God, I'm about. I don't understand.
Dude, swear to Walla.
Yeah. Update to your new binary path. Clear. Totally. Blah blah blah. If you use your file, all capture are tied to the executable path. That's the path.
Moment.
If you're replacing an old capture, it will try to find the old binary. You need to make sure the capture. Blah blah blah. But that's the old. Doesn't make sense because even if I load the old render doc path, it's not even gonna launch then because that path is invalid. So if I go and change it manually,
Why is the path invalid?
because it doesn't exist. I did some changes to the structure of the project. I don't understand. This doesn't make sense. I don't even get to the. I shouldn't even be. Okay, wait. I have a better idea.
Guacamole.
Let's just do a
Guacamole.
true panic. That's not a panic. Oh my god. Oof, why does it... What? What? What the fuck's sake? This should just panic immediately. Let's see. Boom, there's a panic. And now if I launch here, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get the. does it load? I cannot understand. What? What? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, I will just load the server. Let's see what it does then. It has to be using something very old right now. File not found.
This is Stevie's main, right?
Wait. File not found? Why is it trying to load? File name Claude? Lib name? Interesting. Okay, let's change it back to client. Is it just that? Let's put it in here. No? No. It definitely should be in here, but I cannot understand. It's somehow okay. We will try to do. Wait. Can I go here? Client. CDC out. CD binary. Wait. Oh, I'm actually so dumb. I am actually so dumb. Oh my god, I'm
We know.
dumb.
We know.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. God. Ah.
What was the problem?
No, I don't want to say what the problem was. No. No.
Say. Were you running the wrong thing or what?
Well, obviously I was running the wrong.
Oh.
I'm like, why is it running the wrong thing? Doesn't make any sense. Well, I'm telling it to run the. Oh my God.
Dude, Harold, look at that payout right there.
Damn! What? Bro, I should have robbed you now. But Lubas, how did this, what was the issue? What?
I will show you, but I will just take this back because this should work.
Whoa, Control Z much? Jesus.
Yes. Okay, let's just see if it works now like this. We'll launch it normally.
Were you running the, like, server or some shit?
What I was doing is that if you go to projects,
Oh.
Intern,
Oh.
And then,
Were
you
you
know-
not running the server?
I was running the server, but
Ah, so
This-
what was the issue then?
Servers don't
you
have
see,
legs.
this should not exist anymore.
Come on now.
This is from the old version. This is where the new client
Mhm.
is. In this out.
Oh.
So I
It was running like a super old one.
Yeah, I was running this one.
Bro, remove your cache, goddammit.
Ah, yes.
You know, Lubas, you have learned nothing. You gotta just clear all the cache when nothing works.
What the? Every time when I go people coding through, most of them say to yourself how they are.
Yo,
dumb.
Harold, wanna play some Counter Strike?
What?
They had a bunch of updates on
Sure.
Counter Strike.
But yeah, now this thing is loading from the wrong library. The data it doesn't understand that it's supposed to load from Zig out bin here. Launch. That should be able. Yeah. So now it goes to the file watcher, but the file watcher doesn't now understand that it's supposed to be from another place. So now we have to kind of help it out. Shit pants. Because yeah, this will not do. Okay. Yeah, but we can fix this. We can fix this. We can fix that. It's in the watcher. There. So what we have to do here is that we have to kind of what the fuck, dear open, dear path, self dear path, self dear path. And that happens in the init, and then we search paths, search, and then
You want to just play some casual or do a premiere?
Access.
I don't have Premiere, but I don't have Steam opening either. So
You don't have Premiere?
yeah, no, I never bought it.
But you gotta pay to play Premiere.
Yeah, you have to get the
Yeah.
you have to get Prime for like $15 or whatever.
I've always just owned Counter-Strike, so...
Yeah, I mean, I have like 200, 300 hours. I just never bought it.
I bought it before it was free, so it's like it just gave it to me.
Actually, I want this in there. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna
Yeah, it's
take-
just updating Mr. Demon.
I'll take this.
Yeah, apparently the new animations are in the beta build, but they still have the new
Yeah.
megs.
I don't know. I'm like, you know, even though I don't play that many games, I am still, I listen to their updates a lot. So
Bro's capping.
nah, bro, I actually watched a video
Oh,
about anim graph today.
Iterate, and then we have the lib name.
By the way, Source 2 is gonna be public this month, kind of.
Yo, we can finally see how shit it is.
Yes and no. You know, you guys know Gary from Gary's Mod, right?
we've already
Oh,
messed
yeah.
with Sandbox, man.
That's-
Old news.
All
Old news, bro.
Old news. These
That was
guys
like
look
a-
at Sandbox and no, that I even like messed with that SNM-box like almost a year ago, and it still needs time. Like I'm definitely.
Yeah,
it needs
I
to
tried
cook.
messing with it, but it runs so badly on Linux. It's
I have
like even Rockstar games.
Wait,
I
even
just
their
felt it was
go
just
with
too
it.
the
bare
hell does
bones
this
when I was
work?
using it.
my friend
Yeah.
sent me some code example from. He was thinking it was
C
cool.
sharp.
Yeah, and then he showed me the code example of it, and I was like, you know what? Never mind.
Damn, but it is because people who use game engines don't actually know how to code. I'm like, well, I guess Damon knows, but Damon he also does other stuff, like a Discord bot.
Wait, let me see.
But people who only use like game engines, right, and actually want to make a game, like they don't know anything about coding.
This was the code example. He provided something that you need for the thing, and I was like, yeah, I'm not interested anymore.
But I mean, slow. What is this?
I was.
Is addictive. What?
I just read what the fuck is a
Seal.
sealed? What the fuck is a seal?
But that is sharp.
Yes, but still, like, just look at this monster of a thing. Jesus Christ.
It's C sharp, man. But you know, OOPI is just like unreadable to my eyes. But I've
yeah.
no idea what that's supposed to be. But
No, I don't have a PlayStation 5. Somebody asked if I had a PlayStation
you know,
5.
I hope Sandbox makes it easy to like instance things, because in Godot, it is the most terrible thing ever. Like, it's literally a reason to not use Godot. It's how bad it is to create objects in code. It's so bad.
That's crazy.
Hey guys, don't use Godot.
If starts
Oh
with...
man, Unity's doing some weird stuff. I'm gonna move over to this shitty game engine because I'm a fad chaser.
Yeah.
People make fun of me. They'll call
The
my
thing,
wiener
the thing with
small.
Unity is that Unity is also like a bit of shit, right? But it's just in a different way.
You could read
Nah,
it,
bro.
Harold.
Yeah, no. Tell my internet to hurry up, bro. But the best game engine actually, it's probably Flax. It's just Unity, if it was good. Yeah, look at the asset directory. You probably have to do like add another path because you moved
Yeah.
everything.
34.
You could probably
Yeah.
also make so if it doesn't. Well, I guess, but nah, you would
No,
have
no,
to pass in the
this
shit.
is what I'm trying to do right now. So I will have search paths, right?
Mhm.
And because then I'm just in here, so I'm just checking first that I can access it. But wait, yeah, and then I'm just checking that inside of it I iterate all of the files to make sure that the library is inside of it. I should probably say no library, dear, no, because it's not this is not asset library.
Library mit 2 R's, yes.
Is it
Speaking German and Swedish and English at the same time.
my brain is
Fantastic.
like, how do you spell right? Is it library in the first R or the second R? 2 R's in the third. I don't know.
It's a library, bro.
It's like this. Fuck up.
Yeah.
No library. Okay.
Path found. No library. Path.
Okay, that's better. Yeah, and the thing is, why it cannot find it now is because I have to think. I'm coming from here, right? And what I actually would like to do is I would like to go through client. And then here I would like to go. So I would like to actually have another one called client. That basically. I think that should be it. Let's see. No asset there. What? 34? Did I not save?
You're using Nivim. It saves when you don't want to save and vice versa.
Somebody ban Harold.
It's true.
Oh.
It's true. Nivim is so bad. It also drops a bunch of files called like that random ass symbol, right?
No asset.
Then Lubas forgets to remove it.
This doesn't even exist anymore. The no asset tier. Or
Hey man, I'm booting up.
Okay.
Yes.
yeah, that error doesn't
Yeah.
even exist anymore. I don't know how it's complaining about it. But now I'm pretty sure it's not.
Remove the
cache.
cache.
No, it's not a cache issue. Cannot be a cache issue.
You're a cache issue.
Can I delete the file from here? Do you want to delete? Yes, I want to. Good.
Hey man.
So now if I launch
Hey,
this
yep.
thing and
We're
then
in casual.
That is very casual of you.
Purple, what's up? How it's going? It's going pretty badly. Oh,
You know,
oh,
Hermpel,
it
you're
works!
probably a nice guy,
Okay,
but your name, it sounds kind of like a disease.
It works! Harold, look!
It works.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. But I was talking to Hermpel, which is more important. Anyways, so Hermpel, your name sounds kind of like a disease, you know.
How the fuck do I? Right.
The deceased?
Yes. But you know, it would be like a
I can't
really
even get on
bad
your team.
disease.
Alright, you're gonna die,
Yeah.
Harold.
I know.
Poor Harold is gonna die. Man.
Yeah. It's probably because
Yo, I'm
I
going
played this
long,
game
going
in,
long,
like,
flashing.
bro, you're a spectator, bro.
Now
Get back in your lane.
Or the server died actually.
Yo, they're B.
Nah, bro, they're black.
How is it a disease? Wait, how is what a disease? Guys, I'm lost. What are we talking about?
Hermpel, like the word Hermpel sounds kind of like a disease, you know.
Oh no, not Hermpel disease. We don't want that.
The Hermpliest of the
He's coming to
diseases.
touch you, Harold. Look what you have done now.
Yeah, it's gonna give me the Hermpel.
He's gonna give you the Hermpel.
Dust.
Yeah, the Hermpel. Yeah, I think if that was a disease, it would probably be like a, you know,
Well, the
Yeah.
thing is that I don't know, you know?
I think you do. Like,
Ah.
I think you've been in school, right?
I think I have.
Yeah, I think you do know them.
Did I just crash?
Oh, come on, don't give me this bullshit.
Did you crash?
Yeah, I just got black screen. I switched teams.
Again?
Damn.
Yeah. What the hell? All right, back out.
Back out, okay.
Bullies,
Invite.
yes.
It's
These people.
validating my files. It's just doing it automatically, man.
It's like Windows.
The fuck is happening?
Nothing.
Nothing is happening.
Nothing. You're nothing all over the place, bro.
Oh, not again. I would like to go to
Hate when it
the...
happens.
See, you can go to Vulkan, yeah. And what I will do is that I will not call draw on these things. I think it's... Why would it... It's constantly right now just giving up. It's kind of crazy. Run the server again. I need to fix that server part. I don't understand why it would be so funny. Okay, so now I'm just trying to draw boxes. I'm trying to do nothing else but draw the damn boxes. But
And
I
you're
don't-
failing.
Yeah, I'm failing.
back to work.
Yeah.
Get back to work, little bro.
My render docs is not having a good time. The begin rendering. There's no box being drawn. I need to connect another client. Boom. Okay, so now there's the box.
Wow, that's a crazy box.
Yes, let's capture another screenshot there. Let's try to open this thing and let's see.
Insane screenshot.
Thank you. I've been practicing.
Yeah, I can see that.
Thanks. Now that's supposed to be a box. That's supposed to be a box.
Damn, this validation's taking longer than updating. God damn.
I think
Yeah,
it's,
just look at Lucas failing or something.
I think it's fucked.
No, I'm booting in.
Is,
Oh, okay.
is it? Could it be just a shader problem? So if I go and change the shaders, I'm praying it's the shaders. So I'm just doing this in the wrong order, right? It's supposed to be the other way around. It's supposed to be like this, right? I'm just doing it in the wrong order.
Blah!
Why does this one doesn't trigger the hot reload on the shaders, but this one did trigger it, so I guess that's pretty good. It's still wrong though. I don't know what's going on. Why? Okay, I'm gonna disconnect with this one and I'm gonna reconnect it. Okay, there. Boom.
Man, there's
Lucas.
1.2 million
Blah.
people playing Counter-Strike.
Tell me about this plur.
You mean 1.1 blah 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 million bots forming cases in China? That's crazy.
Nice,
What
nice.
the
2
fuck
slots
is
on
going
terrorism for us.
I love terrorism.
Hey,
So do I.
what the fuck? Who am I gonna call
Yeah.
with?
I love 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven?
Yeah,
That's
you
a
know when they
store.
flew the building into the airplanes.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, what? Everyone knows though.
Alright,
it
I'm
was
going long
the-
and I'm flashing.
Yes,
just
but
fucking-
everyone knows it was the Arabian government who staged it all. So yeah.
What the fuck is going on over here?
I don't know, man. Ask 7-Eleven.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out
Oh.
eventually, but I just want to be able to this damn thing running. No.
Where are you, Harold?
Wait, why is
Go
it
B. You went
render
Yeah.
like is... Yeah, okay.
John went long and I was flashing.
Damn.
There's only one on B. Push through.
Okay, but
bro.
if I don't have
He's
anything
on site, like on site on the right. He's got an op. He's got an op.
Am I doing
No, he's
the
got a
wrong-
scout. It's a scout.
Oh.
You could have won
Scout. I don't know if I could have. You know, I haven't played this game in like 6 or 7
Look at
years.
him. Look at him. He just died.
Yeah, he said 6 or 7. He's funny, man.
6, 7.
Are you flying around with your camera?
No, but I am now. I love how broken the map becomes as soon as you leave the play area.
Yeah, it's that optimization.
That's
Yeah, that's optimization. But don't like look anywhere else inside of the map where they have like a brick that has like 5 billion polygons.
Yeah, right. Wait, I gotta buy.
I'm too bad for this, bro. I'm just gonna buy a shotgun. Damon, stop flashing them.
Hey, yo,
Not cool.
hey, man.
Where are you, Harold?
That's a good question. Lower tunnel.
Lower?
Lower tunnel, yeah.
But that's just an identity matrix.
Oh. I'm blind. I'm fucking blind.
I'm dead.
No!
So if I would do this multiplication, should just do an identity matrix multiplication, and that shouldn't have any effect, but apparently it doesn't have crazy effects. What?
Oh!
Okay, I'm just gonna do that. And we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna place it here, and see, what am I doing? Scene data, view, projection view. But that should not be a problem either way. Even if it was that I did it in the wrong way. Or could it be? View, projection,
Oh!
projection,
Oh!
view.
That's it. I'm taking out my P250 decoy grenade. It never let me down before.
I like the new stabbing sounds. It kind of reminds me of literally nothing.
That's crazy, bro.
I'm just gonna go stab my friend here.
Oh.
I love stabbing my friends. You know, it's kind of like being emo.
Oh, no. I'm done. Thank God I'm done. Otherwise it would be bad.
I know you're dumb.
Thank you.
If you weren't dumb, the world would be so much better. Yes, that's exactly what I was gonna say.
Where'd you go, Harold?
That's
Lower tunnel. Where else, bro?
I am not having a greatest moment right now. This. Oh
Me
shit.
neither.
Yeah.
That's a small inconvenience that's going on right now.
Almost there. Almost.
But the identity matrix multiplication should not give me what it's giving me right now. It's so dumb that it actually has problems.
Now it has problems.
Yeah.
In the big 26. That's crazy.
Yeah. What I was saying.
Bro. I blame the economy for this one.
True that. True.
Yeah, problems in this economy, man.
Don't understand. Like this should not be happening with an identity matrix. Hey. X, Y, Z, model C, projection view.
Oh, he's in. Damn. Holy shit. What is he doing?
I'm trying to understand.
Guy was just crouching in here with his knife out.
Okay, wait. Let me try this. What if I just do a dot inverse?
Damn, another one coming with behind you, bro. Behind you. Yes, thing? Shotgun? No, not shotgun. I can't. What is it called? Scout.
It's my.
Good luck, Damon.
But the identity matrix multiplication.
There's
should
no
not-
one, B.
It should just be the same. It should just be the same.
They're all A.
I don't get it. It's bullshit. This is so bullshit. It should just. It is an identity. It's 1 and then 0 1.
Wall other
One long,
0,
one
0,
one
1, 0,
long, and
0, 0,
two
0.
like one above you, right above you, and one coming from long. Yes, up.
Yeah, I'm a.
The other ones are above you. There's two people with up. Don't like peek too much. I like that I'm saying this on Lucas stream also. It's very related, of course.
Wait. What if.
That's one long, bro. That's one long.
Can I see the actual.
He's coming from middle. Middle. Middle.
Can I
He's-
see
he's
the
not- he's going away.
actual, wait. Can I see that?
Yeah, you might get him.
Push constant.
Lucas, I have some advice for you. Give up.
No, I will
Dude, I
never.
switched my gun point of view. I don't know how I did that.
With a keybind. I think P90 is the best weapon, right?
No, P250.
Can I see the actual allocation of the push constant? What is the data in it?
Bro, that's just being a pushover, am I right?
Because I'm wondering if what
Those
I'm
push
understanding that I'm sending
constants.
is the identity, right? But if I'm not receiving the identity, then of course it's not gonna be an identity.
Oops.
Do you have an identity, Lubas?
I don't know.
That's what I'm wondering.
But it should be the identity because it's the. You cannot. Push constant. Yeah, it's only supposed to be a vertex shader push constant. It has this. I provide that. What's up, Kayal? Lol. Why would it be doing this shader? And it understands that it's the size of push. Do I have to provide anything more about? I don't think.
Yo, it's that cat! Bro, it's the cat! The very professional cat.
Timur Limmer.
Yeah, bro, it's that cat. That the super or the solid racist sends.
Oh, is it solid racist?
Yeah, solid racist's cat.
No, that's pretty solid.
Yeah. That is kinda solid. That was such a good play. I was talking to Lucas, I was distracted.
Yeah, don't talk to me.
Lubas, you're so distracting.
Thanks. Push. Shouldn't be a problem.
Dude, look at Timur Limmer. Look at him.
Shader compute.
Yeah, it's such a Timur Limmer.
16. This is just, yeah, no, there shouldn't. I cannot understand why would the data be invalid? Well, we got this.
Oh,
Just no.
bro, wasn't watching his 6.
7?
Hmm.
Okay, I need help.
Hmm?
Me
Where
too.
to go? Where to go?
How does one make a pull request on GitHub?
Well, have you forked my thing?
No, I'm pretty sure I just cloned it and made it indirectly.
Yeah, well, you're gonna, like, sadly, you have to fork it. I know.
Oh.
It's quite bad. Welcome to Git, I guess.
Welcome to.
Yeah. But once you've like forked
Can
it,
you give me the link to your thing? I think I lost it.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And when you fork it, when you've like done your commit and stuff, then you just go back to my thing, and then it will just pop up like at the top that you can make a PR.
I see.
Yeah.
I'm pretty short list.
Hey. Dude, I don't know if I hit a single bullet.
That's fine. Damn. Did you see what happened to me, Damon? Yes. Alla.
Wait, isn't
Isn't?
is there actually such a thing?
What thing?
Transpose.
My thing is a transpose.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, good luck figuring out what it does.
Nah, it's still broken.
Inverse.
Yeah, but I was thinking, was it an inverse? Because I did an inverse.
I don't know, just inverse, transpose, multiply, just do everything to it, bro. It will fix it.
The fuck?
I should just add like a fix function to the matrix, and it just uses AI to estimate what the correct one should be.
Oh
Like
my.
pings chatgpt.com.
Oh my days, no, this is commission when working with Vulkan, just a memory layout, expectations, blah blah. Would you like me to show exact? Did not fix the issue, but what if it's a transpose in that inverse? I know. Hmm. Yeah, I want to see. Can I in render doc see push constant values? As you can see, push constant render doc, but only if you're looking for the right place. Open the pipeline state Vulkan pipeline. Look for the section called push constant, raw data, hex, sometimes interval values. Where you may not see them, this is where people get confused. You're okay.
I played the PR and I gotta go.
All right.
But
I'll look at
can-
it in a minute.
If you can review it, actually, it's got some time. So if you see any issues like right now, I have like another 40 minutes where I can fix anything.
Alright. Yeah, I can probably do it. I just like suicide anyways, like I'm a terrorist, so it's fine. Yeah, okay.
genuinely my first pull request ever.
What?
Well,
That's great.
congrats.
Yeah. I do a lot of solo projects that never finish, so
Okay, that could make sense. Wait. That could make so much sense.
To be honest, I barely know how to accept a PR, but you know, this is gonna, yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
don't worry, there are only 14 malicious binaries. Don't even worry
Oh.
about it.
Only 14? Okay, okay.
That
That
must be a
sounds-
new
Just
record.
don't even worry.
Yeah.
That shouldn't really have an effect. Swear to God, if this is the thing, I might cry. Oh my fucking God. It was alignment and padding. Nah. I cannot. That's bullshit. Alignment and padding. No. I refuse. Alright. Now we're getting on to, because now we should be able to take the actual thing. So when a player sends an input that they would like to move, you kind of have to. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. How is it best to do this? Because should we send every update loop to all of the client the new position of all of the entities? Or how should this be done the best way? I don't know how they actually do it in real multiplayer stuff. Well, right now we don't have much to work with, so we could just send every update for every entity every time. I think that could work. Maybe it will be dumb as fuck. Or maybe it's smart, because we only have like 3 entities right now, so I think it could work. Let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is that whenever we can process their command, and at the end of this loop, we don't have to do this. We'll just send directly to the clients a for loop for each. We still have to get that, but this thing can exist outside of it, like so. And I'm here. Well, yeah. Right now we're inside of the loop for all of the shit. Fuck. Maybe we would like to update all of the commands before. Well, whatever. It's not that we're not that. Yeah, whatever. For. So now we can do a query. We can do a bar query equal world dot ec dot. Damn it. Now we'll get everything that has a transform. And to get pointer get ptr, anything that has a endset transform 3D f32, get that, and then while query next. Oh, LSP is so great to work with. And then we'll capture the entry. And then because in here we can now get const transform is equal to entry dot. Is it also get? I think it's get. And set. Oh yeah, I remember now. I have to change the 2 things. F32 world.ec, and we can do this because we should always get that. And what you can do in here, we have to change this to be this. And then now that's it. This is peaceful. Yes, yes, yes. Now we got this. We should be able to do the transform that position. And then here we also need to get entry dot ID. No, but entry is int from enum entry. I think it's it. And then we just need the writer. Well, isn't the writer... No, but I want it to be undefined cleared for each command. So we'll take this. It's done, but it's about to get it to work, and then we'll make it good. Like so. Get pointer fruit world. Shouldn't be like that, eh? Go here. Let's see, how do I do it? It is... Oh, it's query. Not bad. Query. Like so. And then you query based on what you want. And found you expected type U32 found that. So I will just have to do a int cast. Because it will never be such a problem anyways, but... And then we'll get the command. And we'll write it, and then we'll send it, and we'll take the next one. And yeah, let's see how bad this can go. That should actually have triggered hot reloads, but... Seems like it actually did it, but I'm still gonna restart it. I haven't confirmed hot reloading yet, so... Let's see. And then if I go here, start this one. And I don't know if I'm moving at all anymore. Oh, okay, I'm moving. But this one is not moving. What? Let me reconnect this one and see what happens. Nah, nothing. But this one. Okay, what if I change the order?
Okay, Gilder, I made a little review there for you. There's just like mainly like formatting and styling, but yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, it looked great.
I have no idea if it's gonna work or not this time. Most important thing.
That's fine. You can like make tests if you feel like it, but you know, I'm not a big fan of testing either, so we can just ignore that part.
I've never even touched Zig test, so I'm not figuring that out.
Yeah, it's not too hard. You can look in like other things to check, but like you really don't have to. Lucas is the tester anyways.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, true. He's gonna
yeah, he's
test
the real
himself.
test.
He'll test in production.
Yes.
Exactly.
Enter mapping, get ID. Server ID. Is it 0 on all of them? That's that cannot be right. Oh no. Ah, now it's crashed. That's okay. I mean, it's kind of on the right track still. I know there's a lot of like hinged, unhinged kind of stuff going on, but it's on a good track. It's getting closer to just it's very fragile, but that's because I'm still trying to figure shit out. I'm not trying to be perfect on the
You're
gut.
fragile.
Thank you. I
guess
didn't say that. I'm not fragile.
Exactly. But you know, my windowing manager. Do you think it's fragile or stable? What would you say?
Well, it's I mean, it's pretty stable. Like, I haven't run into any like actual crashes. It's just not 100%
Done.
yeah, but it's not fragile
Yeah.
because I haven't run into any unexpected crashes. Like that hasn't happened. It's
Yeah.
just it doesn't.
Well, it's actually the most fragile piece of shit ever. It's literally made out of glass.
Well, I
And
mean,
it's a cheap one also.
it works.
Yeah,
Except
sure.
only the input is the only problem where it's kind of weird. But besides that, it's perfect.
Yeah, I need to redo like the entire keyboard thing also because it's so bad right now, but yeah.
Alright, I gotta head out. I will make those changes and update the P. I'll figure out how to do it. I don't know.
All
It's
right.
good experience, you know.
Take
But
care.
yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Why am I getting... Okay, this is unreadable right now, but
It's kind of interesting that it actually like. I don't understand. It gets that every ID is 0 from the server that it's sent, but that cannot be right because when I query, am I doing this? Isn't
Nah,
that?
that's right.
Is
Trust
the,
me, bro.
Is the entry? No. What is the entry? How can I get the ID of the entry?
The ID is the entry.
Yeah, that was what I was
But,
thinking, but for some reason everything that is sent is 0, which it should not be.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see it here because there's a lot of funny stuff when the server goes offline. Because it tells me that
Right.
every entry is 0, and I'm like, that cannot be right. If I connect with 1, then it makes sense that there's only one, which is server ID 0, right? But if I connect with another one, now there should be two server IDs, but they're saying both are 0, which doesn't make sense at all.
That's called a skill issue.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's a bullshit. I'm gonna go because here I query all of the transforms, so I say transform entry ID. I'm just gonna go at int from enum entry. But there it says that there's 0 and 1. Head is about to commit suicide again. The 5th time this stream. What? It has the right thing, but when the server... Okay, wait. But how... Oh yeah, because I don't...
Oh, Lucas, I figured out something.
Tell me
I
about
know I Finland is the country with the highest rates of suicide. It's because it's also the country where most people work in IT. It makes... I think it's one of the highest, yeah.
That's crazy, bro. Not even
Yeah, bro.
Wait, this is... I see now why I'm getting the wrong messages. Okay, let's see. Now I should
It's
get
because
it.
you're bad. Yeah, that's
No,
right.
server ID is still 0 for all of the... That's bullshit. It cannot... Okay, I guess it's something with the marshalling and non-marshalling, then I can... Because
Yeah, bro, this is just like the immigrants. Just blame everything on them, bro. Just blame everything on them, marshalling.
That's
yeah.
what I do.
That's what I do, and it works great.
Yeah. Exactly. Just continue, bro. Just blame it on the marshalling. It must be the marshalling.
Has to be.
Of course.
Cannot be any other thing. But yeah, because I do... It says here that I got 012, 012, 012, and then in here when I submit the command, I submit with the ID to be equal to the thing I'm printing right here. But yet when I receive it back on the client, I'm getting 0000, which is bullshit.
Why are you sending an ID?
Because I need to know which entity is being updated.
Well, you can just print the like unmarshaled thing or like the marshaled thing, you know, like you have the bytes.
What?
You in the like writing, you can just print it, like what?
Oh, you mean when I
Yeah.
get it in the net?
Come on, Harold, you got the
Mhm.
bomb.
Oh, not
Oh, you
anymore.
dropped it.
No, the game dropped it.
Dot update transform. What's it called?
All right, I'll lead the I'll lead. Go 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 go!
Yeah, great.
Actually,
Bro.
actually, we'll do it in here. If force the command is equal to the transform.
You're supposed to swing a little bit more aggressively, Harold.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I see how it is. I think me and Damon are gonna make a professional esports team.
That sounds scary, man.
Call it the
Yeah.
Gooners.
Yeah, Mega Gunners. And then we'll win. We'll dominate. With our skill, you know.
This is weird. I can also say just data. It should server ID. That should definitely like notify me which one. I need to close a few of these. This is crazy. Here. Because this only happened on update, and this update can only happen if it goes through the net. Let me close more of this. Jesus Christ. But somehow I'm not even getting that print. What the hell? I shouldn't have to do a restart for this. That's the point of auto loading. Yeah, no. So I don't know why it's not even sent. Okay, great. It doesn't tell me this. What the fuck? It should tell me this if the command is update transform, because otherwise this thing should never print if this doesn't even happen here.
Harold, where were you?
Nah, bro. The ops are on me. They got me
Why is the server being
Where
hot
were
loaded
you,
in this?
Harold?
in your mother.
Yep.
Oh wait. Oh.
I think the Gev is the
Oh, now I
best
see
weapon
why.
here.
I think the Geb is the best weapon.
Yeah,
Damn, I'm dumb as fuck.
we know.
Thanks.
Yes, no problemo.
It's here I want to do the thing. Ah, I'm so dumb. I was modifying the, why do I have access to the server inside of, maybe I'm in the just it's not good. This is not good. Okay, there we go. Yes, now we see the data. And it says ID is 0. That's okay. But now if I connect another one, it should say that one ID is 1.
Another one.
But it says that ID is 0 on both of them.
Another one.
That's a bullshit. It cannot be. It's impossible.
Another one.
Because the command here quite literally says that it's 0 and 1. But both of these receive 0. How is it possible? My head cannot comprehend this. This is bullshit.
Damn, I
This
switched to Negev for 1 round and I get 3 kills.
doesn't
I got
make any
Negev too.
sense.
Yo. Damn.
From where?
There. Of course. Oh, hell no. Bro, how did this guy get 6 kills? Bro, what?
He's cheating.
Nah. Yeah, for real. Bro got more kills than the school shooters. Why did I buy a AK? I should have bought an Negev. Damn.
And the position is not even accurate. So that's even okay. This is even funnier. Using the same command union value for the both send when you do. Wait, what? You create a fixed right buffer inside the client loop line. You're I didn't read that.
Damn, I saw that shit.
I hit him a couple times through the wall.
Yeah.
Guy's using a scoped gun.
I mean, I like your body on the crate.
Is that where I am?
Yeah, you're just laying there, bro. You're just chilling, sunbathing or something.
Oh right, because I. Oof. Okay, well, we can take this inside of here, but I don't know. Cannot read that. Oh, okay, now it's there. Whoa. Okay. Great.
Sussy baka. Oh.
Sass the baka.
Sussy as
Sussy,
fuck. Yeah.
sussy.
Okay. Now the positions are there, but I don't think I'm. They are now getting the right. Okay, it was just I didn't clear the buffer. I'm so fucking retarded. But
Yeah, I know.
okay. Thanks. Thank you for being honest to me, Harold. But for some reason now they are not rendering the cubes in the right spot.
Okay, but you see, it wasn't the unmarshalling and the marshalling that was the problem, you see?
Yeah, no, well, it was, but it wasn't because them in themselves. It was because the buffer I
Ah.
passed in was wrong.
Ah, yeah. It's kind of like, it's not the immigrants that are the problem, it's a crime.
What the
Of course.
You know,
You know, I just gotta make it relatable for the Europeans.
If crime didn't exist, then we wouldn't have problems with immigrants.
Exactly. Damn, bro, we're so smart.
I know, it's crazy.
Yes.
What the fuck? Okay. Okay. I should have gone 40 minutes ago, but we're so close on actually cooking this
You
thing.
should have gooned 40 minutes ago.
I should have been gooning for 40 minutes, but I have been going crazy.
You've been croaking like a frog. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Bro's been croaking instead of
But
gooning.
I think we're falling down to the final brain cell at this point. This is not.
Yes.
Okay, but here. Because now I should be able to get
Stop the gooners.
the matrix should not be this anymore, because now I should be getting the actual. Wait, I'm actually updating it.
Lucas, when is your OnlyFans coming out?
Oh, it's.
Guys, 5 likes and we open an OnlyFans.
We? I don't know about that, man.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we.
I think.
I think we do. I think we do.
But wait, this should actually get.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
I don't think it does the positions right here. It should be doing the positions right, but it's not doing them right.
Yeah, bro. That's what you're gonna be saying when we have an OnlyFans together.
What the fuck, man? Harold, I think you need some medications.
What do you mean, bro? I'm gonna be the manager and you'll be the actor.
I
Or,
always
like, I'll be
wanted to be an actor.
Yeah, I know, but I'll be managing the economy, alright? So, like, you get 1% and I take the rest.
I think
Right?
it's.
Right?
Wait, but do I. ECS. Oh. Oh! Because when I spawn the entity, I never do the entity mapping, so that's why it never updates the positions. I'm a whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's kind of like the problem is not crime, the problem is people stealing money.
Yes, you get,
Yes.
you understand, yes, you get
Yes,
me,
bro.
get me.
I get you.
Mm.
I will get you.
Oh.
And I will find you. I will haunt you and I
No.
will eat you.
Nah. Because I should be able to do command dot spawn entity dot id. Yes. Yes. Now we can do the mapping also. We'll take this, yank that. And I think this will actually make it work. I am very hopeful.
But I think we made a couple of them blow with the fucking LMG.
Yes.
And then this will just be new entity.
Yeah, terrorism.
And then, okay.
Hashtag
Hashtag Terror Davis.
hashtag terroristic behavior.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's see.
Guys, do you like to terrorize or to be terrorist?
It works, it works. Look, I'm moving. This is the client. This is one of the clients moving.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can move.
But
Oh, wait,
I
this
don't
one
really
is...
see a game here.
It's basically the game, okay? I'm
Where's the
moving...
mechanics at, bro? Where's the game
No
mechanics at?
way.
I'm moving this window. Whoa. Come
You're
back.
moving this window? That's crazy.
No,
All for the power of yes.
You don't get it.
Oh damn, we're moving this window.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes, yes.
That's not
We can
right.
finally do such a revolutionary things such as moving the window. My god. This is some of the best tech that the smartest people in the world have been working
No,
on for the past
Yeah,
10
it'll be
years.
Right there.
I'm moving.
I know.
I'm interacting with the bottom window right now, and then that's the
What,
client.
you're interacting
Yeah.
with a window?
He's coming in the tunnel. He's coming in the tunnel. He's swinging.
Tunnel.
No, he changed his mind.
He's swinging it like
He's
helicopter.
going low.
Yeah.
No, he's looking low. You gonna shoot him in the back here? Oh no, he went downstairs.
Nah, bro's
He's coming up.
baiting.
He's coming up.
Bro wasn't baiting. Bro was master debating.
Last one's long.
Wait.
What?
I'm so confused right now.
I know you're always confused. You are
He's like
confusion.
behind you, killing your teammates.
That's too bad.
How? I think I got some positions inverted right now. It doesn't make sense. What's going
No.
on?
What is this garbage I'm looking at?
Wait, what's going on? Because, okay, look. Wait, one of the clients are here right now, right? Oh yeah, no, it makes sense. And then, oops, it crashed. Yeah, now it died. That's
So when's when the chat coming?
I
When's
think
1.0
I think I will
coming
probably
out?
implement like TCP for chatting.
Yeah, you know what we said about sending over stuff in the same socket and different protocols? I think not.
No, shut up.
Bro, you can use the marshalling and unmarshalling using the
look.
string, you know?
And that now we can move with this one forward, and we should have seen it, but we didn't. Okay, guys, I have no idea. Oh, wait, what's going on?
I wonder though if we could like have the server be open like 2 ports, you know, so you could have like 1 port for the chat and 1 port for the other
Wait.
stuff.
Wait, one
that
of these is updating both of the clients, and the other one is. I might have fucked something up here.
You say.
Okay, wait,
You
this
say,
one is
bro.
independent, I think, and this one. No.
He's an independent.
I have no
woman.
idea who is who right now. Okay, this is a client, right? And if I move, and this is another
Look,
client.
just go to sleep.
I think
Go
I
to
should.
sleep.
Sleepy time for Lucas.
Wait, but this one's is not updating its position when it's
Go to
moved.
sleep.
Oh, that's why it's so weird. Because this one is getting its position updated when I move, but this one is not.
Go to
Makes
sleep.
sense. Yeah, okay, I need to fix
Go
that.
to sleep.
Go
Go
to
to sleep, little Lucas.
Yeah, okay, so it sees itself
Go to
right
sleep.
now. Oh, but it
Go
doesn't
to
see this
sleep.
client. Oh. Oh, that's crazy.
Go to sleep, bro.
But we can still move. It's pretty cool. I would say it's pretty cool to see this thing move over there, right? Don't you think it's cool? I think it's freaking awesome.
I think
lost
that's super cool.
Yeah, but that-
Hers.
errors.
Coolers, yes, very cool. You know, it's very not warm. It's very cool.
It is a very cool worm. I don't know-
Coolers. Gooners?
I still don't really understand why I am having both of them. It's so funny.
Damn, did you see that shit? I threw a grenade into his head and it bounced off. I flew like 5 meters up in the air. Bro has a big bouncy head.
Yeah, that's Damon.
Yep.
What? We're playing with like some sort of Russians.
Yeah, as usual. You know, I think we should make a TV series and we can call it like How I Met Your Damon.
Oh my god. I can go first.
No
Yes.
way.
It's like Lubas and he's like, oh yeah, I was just gooning and then Damon came there and yeah.
And then I was like, that's crazy.
Now then you gooned like really hard.
Damn,
I
that's
think
crazy.
that's yeah.
I'm gonna quickly
Incredible
just do...
story.
So now we can move here. Look at that. We move the top window and we can see the client move on the other
We
client.
Jesus
moving the
Christ.
window. We
Oh,
moving
that's
the
not what I
window
mean,
now.
that's
Oh
not what I
hell no,
mean.
that's crazy. We can move a window now. What? That's crazy. Can we even resize it though?
Alright guys, that will be it. Tomorrow we'll fix a little bit of server stuff and I guess we'll do something else.
You ain't
So,
fixing
bye bye.
nothing.
Yeah, bro, never getting fixed.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Spambot? Look at Spambot. Look at Spambot.
Yeah. But it's a nice spam bot. Bro. They see me spamming.
They hating.